Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be taking a detailed look at Nissan's latest SUV model, the 2025 Nissan Rogue. This vehicle truly stands out with its bold design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. We will explore the standout features of this vehicle step by step, and also discuss the key differences that set the 2025 Rogue apart from other SUV models. The 2025 Nissan Rogue has a truly striking design from the outside. Its modern and sleek lines make it both aesthetically pleasing and dynamic. Especially the Rock Creek edition gives the Rogue an additional identity. The model's black tubular roof rails and durable exterior details transform the vehicle into an adventure-ready machine. The 18-inch custom-designed wheels and sharp lines provide a stylish and secure stance on the road. The LED headlights and modern lighting systems ensure a clear view even on dark roads, which increases driving safety. This vehicle not only looks stylish, but also leaves a powerful and impressive impression on the road. When it comes to the interior, the Rogue offers a spacious and luxurious area for 5 passengers. The soft, semi-aniline leather upholstery ensures maximum comfort even on long journeys. This feature, which ensures comfort during extended drives, is a highly praised detail by vehicle owners. The rear seats are adjustable, allowing passengers to choose the most comfortable seating position. The 36.5-inch rear seat legroom ensures that even those sitting in the back can feel comfortable. Additionally, with the tri-zone automatic climate control, every passenger can enjoy a comfortable journey according to their preferred temperature. The panoramic sunroof also offers the opportunity to enjoy the view during the trip. Moreover, the trunk space can expand up to 74.1 cubic feet, providing plenty of room for both city use and long trips. The 2025 Nissan Rogue is equipped with the latest technologies in its interior. The 12.3-inch digital touchscreen offers easy access and a sleek design. This screen allows you to quickly access the vehicle's control systems. Additionally, Google built-in technology, wireless Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay compatibility make it easy to connect your devices. The Rogue also features wireless charging, aligning with the needs of modern life. This feature provides great convenience on long journeys, allowing you to charge your devices easily. Extra technologies like the head-up display and Alexa integration further enhance the driving experience. The vehicle's Bose sound system offers an immersive audio experience, making you feel as if you're in a concert hall. The high-quality sound creates a pleasant atmosphere for every passenger during the drive. The performance of the 2025 Rogue is also quite impressive. Its 1.5-liter VC turbo engine perfectly balances power and efficiency. This engine produces 201 horsepower and 225 Nm of torque. It offers 30 mpg in the city and 37 mpg on the highway, which is a significant advantage for vehicle owners. The intelligent all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction on different road conditions, ensuring a safe and enjoyable drive in all situations. The ProPilot Assist technology makes long-distance driving easier and less stressful, offering great comfort for drivers during extended trips. Safety is a top priority for Nissan. The Safety Shield 360 system includes a variety of advanced safety technologies, from pre-collision warnings to blind spot alerts. This system provides extra security during driving. The rear cross-traffic alert and intelligent cruise control features enhanced safety in traffic, while intelligent braking systems prevent dangerous situations. Nissan's high-strength chassis and solid build make the Rogue as safe as a fortress. The 2025 Nissan Rogue, with its strong design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, is a competitive model in the SUV segment. The Rock Creek edition is particularly appealing for those who love outdoor life. This model reinforces Nissan's claim in the industry. Users' experiences are also highly positive. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our new videos. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.